Question number 7 from exercise 1.1. Using average, write three rational numbers between 14 by 5 and 16 by 3. Using average. The rational numbers between A and B. The format is 1 by 2 into A plus B. 1 by 2 into A plus B. Okay, listen here. What are the numbers? What are the fraction terms they are given? 14 by 5 and 16 by 3. Let me have this as A, this term as B, this term as A and this term as B. Using average A and B, 1 by 2 into A plus B. Okay, right. C is equal to, let us take the first rational number as C1. C is equal to 1 by 2 A plus B. What are the value of A? 14 by 5 plus B 16 by 3. Okay. Before adding we have to take LCM because the denominators are different. What is the LCM between 5 and 3? 15. So here we need to multiply it by 3. Here we need to multiply it by 5. 3 4s are 12, balance 1. 3 1s are 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 42 by 15 plus 5 6 are 30. Carry over 3. 5 1s are 5. 5 plus 3, 8. 80 by 15. C1 is equal to 1 by 2. Both the denominators are same. So write the numerator as common term. Next, C1 is equal to 1 by 2. Add 80 plus 42, 122 divided by 15. We can cancel this and this. 6 2s are 12. 1 2s are 2. So 61 by 15. C1 is equal to 61 by 15. The first rational number is 61 by 15. But in a question they asked to find the three rational numbers. We have already found our first C1, first rational number. Now it's time to find the second rational number. Let me have the number as 2, C2. How to find C2? The rational numbers between A and C1. What is the average formula? Using average A and C1. In the first rational number we have find the average between A and B. But in the second rational number we have to find the average between A and C1. A and C1 is 1 by 2. What is the formula? 1 by 2 A plus C1. In the first rational number we have seen between A and B. So 1 by 2 into A plus B. But in the second rational number 1 by 2 A and what is the first number we have found? C1. So A plus C1. Okay, right. 1 by 2. What is the value of A? A is nothing but our 14 by 5. A is 14 by 5. So right. 14 by 5 plus C1 is 61 by 15. 61 by 15. What I told in the previous step, the denominator should be same in addition of a fraction terms. If it is different means we have to make it as same. So we can take LCM for both of this. What is LCM? 15, 5. We can solve this in a 5 table. 3 5s are 1 5s are. Again in 3 table 1 time, 1 time. What is the LCM? 5 3s are 15. So here we need to multiply it by 3, then only we will get 15. So is equal to 1 by 2. 3 4s are 12. 3 1s are 3. 3 plus 1, 4. Plus 61 by 15. Here both the denominators are same. No. So commonly I am going to write by 15. Now add both the term. 1 by 2. 61 plus 1 plus 2. 3. 6 plus 4. 10 by 15. Here we cannot cancel anything. So write as it is. 1 into 103. 103 by 2 into 15. 30. This is a value for our C2. This is our second rational number. Next we have to find our third rational number. Third rational number C3. It is between the rational number A and C2. A and C2. Second rational number should be in the format of A and C1. But in the third rational number, it should be between A and C2. Using average, A and C2 is, what is the formula? 1 by 2 A plus C2. Here we have taken 1 by 2 A plus C1, first rational number, but here A plus C2. Now write 1 by 2, what is the value of A? 14 by 5, it is given in the question. Plus C2, already we have know, our C2 value is 103 by 30. Your LCM should be 30. That means we have to multiply here with 6. Then we will get 6 5s are 30 in our denominator. So 1 by 2, multiply this, 6 4s are 24, carry over 2, 6 1s are 6, 6 plus 2 8, plus 103 by 30. 1 by 2, add both the term here, 3 plus 4 7, 187 by 30. So write here 1 by 2, 187. When we are adding this 103 plus 84, we will get 187 by 30. Here we cannot cancel, so multiply as it is. 1 into 87, 187, 187 by 2 into 30, 60. This is our third rational number. Then write what are the three rational numbers are. What is our first rational number? C1, 61 by 15. 61 by 15. Second rational number 103 by 30. Our third rational number is 187 by 60. That's it.